So in this session, we are going to discuss a problem based on Stokes' theorem. Evaluate integral over c xy dx plus xy square dy by Stokes' theorem, where c is the curve in the xy plane with the vertices. See, they are given the vertices. Let me draw. See, 1 comma 0 means the x value is 1, y value is 0. Same thing, minus 1, this is the x value and this is the y value. So all the 4 points they are given. Let me draw a diagram. So this is x, o, y plane. See, 1 comma 0 means along the x-axis y is 0, x value is 1, so 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0 means that along the x-axis, in the negative x-axis, the point of x is minus 1, y is 0. 0 comma 1 means along the y-axis, x value is 0, so this point is 0 comma 1. And the last point is y equal to minus 1. It comes in the negative side. So 0 comma minus 1. We have to join the points. Yes, we got in a diamond shape. This is our curve. Next, let me deal the problem based on Stokes' theorem. So Stokes' theorem statement is Stokes' theorem, the mathematical expression for that. We have a relation between a line integral to the surface integral. So integral over c f vector dot dr vector equal to double integral over the surface s nebula cross f vector dot n cap into ds. So let me study one by one. First, we have to evaluate nebula cross f vector. That means the curl. The first row elements are unit vectors, that I, j, and k. Nebula is defined as nebula is defined as dou by dou x into I plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. So the coefficient of I, j, k we have to write in the second row. That is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And in the third row, f vector. See the f vector, this entire problem they are given in the form of f dot dr vector. So f vector is xy into I plus xy square into j. K component here 0. Okay, so let me write the coefficient of I, j, k in the third row. Xy, xy square 0. Expand this determinant. So that's equal to I. You have to delete the first row and the first column. We are getting the 2 cross 2 determinant. So you have to expand this 2 cross 2 determinant. Differentiate 0 with respect to y partially. The value is 0. The differentiation of x y square with respect to z, it is 0. Minus j into, now we have to neglect the first row and the second column. We are getting the 2 cross 2 matrix. So expand this. Dou by dou x of 0 is 0. Dou by dou z of xy is 0. Plus k into, delete the first row and the third column and expand this 2 cross 2 determinant. So dou by dou x of xy square, while you are differentiating partially, you have to treat y as a constant. So the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So 1 into y square is y square minus dou by dou y of xy. In this, we have to differentiate with respect to y, treating x as a constant. So the differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. 1 into x is x. So we got nebula cross f vector as y square minus x into k cap. Now we have to analyze the Stokes theorem. What we need to find out. See, n cap ds is, we have to recall this, dy dz I cap plus dx dz j cap plus dx dy k cap. So based on this, the nebula cross f vector, we have to take the dot product with n cap into ds. See, ij component is not present in the nebula cross f vector. That means the I and j coefficient in nebula cross f vector is 0. So when we taken the dot product, you will get 0 only. So therefore, you have to take the dot product with only the k component. The rest of the value is 0. So k dot k is 1. So we got y square minus x into dx dy. Now let me substitute in equation number 1. Substitute in 1 and integrate. So now we were having integral over C f vector dot dr vector equal to integral. What is the x value is? See, x ranges from minus 1 to plus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 to plus 1. Y ranges from minus 1 to what? Plus 1. Y equal to minus 1 to plus 1 because they are given the limit. Okay. So nebula cross f vector dot n cap ds is what we have, y square minus x into dx dy. Here first we are taken dy, so therefore you have to write first dy, later followed by dx. Integral of x is equal to minus 1 to plus 1. Now we have to integrate this with respect to y first. Integral of y square is y cube by 3 minus x is a constant. The integral of constant is constant into what? Y. The limits from minus 1 to plus 1. So apply the upper limit minus lower limit. So integral x is equal to minus 1 to plus 1. So 1 by 3 into, apply the upper limit 1 minus, when you apply the lower limit, minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. So plus 1 here. Minus x is a constant here. We are taken place to apply the limit for y. So upper limit minus of minus 1 we have for the lower limit, it is plus 1. So into dx. So we are getting integral x is equal to minus 1 to plus 1, 2 by 3 minus 2x. Now let me integrate this with respect to x's. It is 2 by 3 into what? 1. So we are getting as 2 by 3 into what? X. minus 2 into integral of x is x square by 2. The limits from -1 to +1. 2 by 3, upper limit is 1, minus lower limit is -1, minus into minus is plus. So 2 will be get cancelled. Now apply the upper limit is 1, lower limit is -1 whole square is +1. So this value is what? 0. So now 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are getting 2 2s are 4 divided by 3. So the given integral using the Stokes theorem is 4 by 3.